Hi guys, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel with another quick tutorial of Windows. When it comes to here, our problem is there is a notification from Windows security that mentioning unauthorized changes for folder access is blocked by control folder access. So if I open this notification, then you can see there is no request from Nox player to grant folder access. So how we can solve this problem? Now you need to click on this virus and threat protection option. Again you need to click on this manage setting option. Scroll down and you need to click on manage control folder access option and click on allow app to control folder access. Now click on yes. Now click on this option called add an allowed app. Now click on browse all apps. Then click on desktop and select the exe that you want to give folder access. Now click on open. Then here you can see you have successfully granted permission to Nox exe. With this I am going to wind up this video. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.